Well, seeing you again right here on Lucid Frontier. Well, last week we had a video and it was about making fire. Now, what does that have to do with making music? Well, to me, it has a lot of the same elements as music. I mean, there's a rhythm to fire, there is tools or instruments to make fire, there is a pace. It has a rhythm. I mean, it starts small and builds to a crescendo, and then we have this explosion. Like all good songs, it goes through its emotional path and finds its way into being. And so I thought I'd just explain that here in this video. Maybe go back and look at that video from last week. It's the mountain man making fire. See what you think. You know, only 50,000 to 100,000 people in the world have ever made fire without modern tools or matches or things like that. So this puts us in a very elite club. I can talk just a little bit about that, and I'll be right back. So let's talk about how fire can be made, or the process that I went through. I learned a lot doing that. The things that I learned about doing and making fire was that you need to have certainly the right elements. First of all, you need a very hard piece of wood as the drill. You need something that can absorb the heat on the top because it gets very hot as it spins. You obviously need some sort of bow to spin it and a twine. There's a hole through that drill actually, so that the wire or rope, or in this case leather, doesn't come out. And then the bottom piece of wood needs to have a little tiny hole in it with a trough that goes out, so all the little filings that come off and little pieces can fall into a pile and make an ember. And the process of doing that is you need that soft piece of wood on the bottom, the hard drill, and so these pieces, these flakes come off and then they fall into a pile. Now the process that I didn't understand, there was two of them, and I tried an awful lot of times, was that you need to push really hard and drill really fast and then get a rhythm going. Once that starts happening, then when you start to see smoke, then you ease up that pressure and you just go as fast as you can over and over and over again until the smoke really grows. Once that happens, then what you want to do is you don't want to get down and blow it like I did a few times. Poof, off it goes. No, you just do it with your hand, as you saw in the video. Just and once you do that hand, then you can, I had a little leaf, I put it into my little basket of like dried grasses, and then you take that basket and you blow up through the grasses, and the air going through increases. You have to blow really hard then, and then there'll be like an explosion where there's enough oxygen to get that ember to turn into an actual flame. And that's how I went through making fire, just so you know. Oh, well, the mountain man did. So anyway, till next time, stay tuned.
The sun beats down and it's over.